Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore cash out refinance readiness with Rocket Homes. Full guide. To restore cash out refinance readiness with Rocket Homes, start by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all relevant financial documents, including income statements, tax returns, and existing mortgage information. Next, check your credit score, as this will significantly influence your refinancing options. If your credit score is below the desired threshold, take steps to improve it, such as paying down debt and ensuring timely bill payments. Evaluate your home's current market value through an online appraisal tool or by consulting a real estate professional. Determine your existing mortgage balance to get a clear picture of your equity. Calculate your home equity by subtracting the mortgage balance from the current market value. Consider how much cash you would like to access through the refinance. Review Rocket Homes cash-out refinance options to see which program best fits your needs. Gather the necessary documents for the application process, which may include proof of income, bank statements, and proof of homeowner's insurance. Fill out the application with Rocket Homes, providing accurate details about your financial and property situation. Once submitted, stay in contact with your loan officer for updates and to respond to any additional requests for information. Be prepared for a home appraisal to determine its current value as part of the refinancing process. After the appraisal, review the loan estimates provided by Rocket Homes carefully. Decide if the terms and conditions align with your financial goals and whether you're comfortable with the associated costs. If everything looks good, continue with the closing process, where you'll sign the final paperwork. Once you close, the cash-out portion of your refinance will be processed, and the funds will be made available to you. Remember to use the cash wisely to maximize its potential benefits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.